If you've ever craved something sweet, creamy and ice cold to cool off on a hot day, Falooda is the answer. It's rich, it's colorful, and it's got that perfect mix of textures: soft, chewy, silky and crunchy, all in one tall glass. Start by adding basil seeds to a bowl, pour in enough water and set them aside. They'll bloom beautifully and turn into that classic jelly-like texture we all love in Falooda. Then, in a separate bowl, add 1 tablespoon of custard powder and mix it with just a bit of water until smooth. Now let's prep the garnishes. Take some almonds and walnuts and give them a quick blitz in the blender until they're roughly chopped. This will be our topping later on. You can also use pistachios as well. Set it aside and in the same processor add 2 sandwich breads. Blend them down until they turn into fine, soft crumbs. This is going straight into the custard base later to give it body and richness. Now time to cook the custard base. In a large pan, I'm using a wok. Add 2 cups of sugar and let it melt down and caramelize. Make sure it coats the bottom of the pan evenly. Once it's a nice golden color, pour in 2 cups of room temperature milk. Yes, the caramel will harden, but don't panic. It will melt back down as the milk heats up. Then add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Pour in the custard slurry and then stir it in. Add the breadcrumbs and the crushed nuts. Stir everything well. You want a smooth, pourable consistency. If it gets too thick, add a bit more milk. I had to adjust mine with around 100 grams of extra milk. I had some jelly already prepared, so I just chopped it into cubes and set it aside for layering. Grab a tall glass and pour in your favorite syrup. Throw in some ice cubes, vermicelli, homemade, basil seeds. Layer the custard mixture. The jelly cubes on top, some more of the custard mixture, some more of the crushed dried fruits, and finally top it with more jelly, ice cubes, dried fruit, vermicelli, and just keep on layering until you feel satisfied. And there you have it. A tall, icy glass of homemade Falooda layered with silky custard, chewy vermicelli, vibrant jelly, and that sweet floral syrup tying it all together.